Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the number 65 is divided into two parts in the ratio 4:9 and we have to find the absolute difference between the two parts. Okay, so let the two parts be x and and y such that their summation will be equal 65. So x plus y will be equal 65. This is equation number 1, and also their ratio is given as 4 upon 9. So x upon y equals 4 upon 9. So we can write x equals 4k and y equals 9k, where k is a constant. We can assume this because if we find the ratio of x upon y, then k and k will cancel out each other and it will ultimately give us 4 upon 9, which has been given us in the question. So now with the help of these values, we can simply put it in equation number 1 and find the value of k. So x plus y, that is 4k plus 9k will be equal to 65. 9 plus 4k, so 9k plus 4k will give us 13k, which is equal to 65. Divide both sides of the equality by 13, so k will be equal to 65 upon 13, which upon division will give us 5. So the value of k is 5. Therefore, the value of x will be equals 4k, which is equals 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20. Similarly, y is given as 9k. So 9 multiplied by 5 will give us 45. Therefore, absolute difference, remember, is always positive. So if you are doing x minus y, then you have to put a mod sign so that the final answer becomes positive. But if you are doing y minus x, then the answer is already positive, so you don't have to do anything. So y minus x equals 45 minus 20, which will give us 25. So this will be our final required answer. That's it. Thank you.